Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sora Chatgpt. So let's start. This is my Chatgpt here. I already log in Google Chrome. So let's start. So go to the left hand side and here you can see the Sora option. Simply click on it and it will open in the one new tab, sorachatgpt.com. So here you can create the image or video also. You can see the left hand side there are different options available. In Explore, you can check the all videos and images. Those are already created. Okay. In images, you can check the particular images. In videos, you can check the videos here. Okay. In library, you can check your My Media. Means those images you created. Just click on the My Media. You can see. So these images I already created. Okay. And in favoritize, you can favoritize your image. Just click on the three dot and click on the favoritize. Okay. You can download it also. Just click on the three dot and click on the download. Okay. So in favoritize, you can see the image is showing those you favoritize. Okay. You can upload also those you create the image and videos. You can upload here in Sora ChatGPT and you can create the new folder here also. So this is the way you can store your all images and videos in Sora ChatGPT, and you also upload in here. And here you can describe your images prompt. Okay. Click on the here option. There are two options. Image. If you want to create image, just click on this type. And if you want to create video, just click on the video. Okay. And in video, you can see the different types of option also available, the ratio and resolutions, duration. Okay, what you want the duration in video. In images you can see the ratio, aspect and variations. So these are some option available. So I just enter here the one prompt. You can see I already and write one prompt: a cute puppy sitting in a basket, okay, full of flowers. So I just paste here this prompt and just click on enter to create image. So wait for the few seconds, okay, to create the images. Okay, it's in process. And here you can see your images is created, puppy in the flower basket and the cute puppy here showing. Okay, this is a way you can create image in sorachatgpt.com. Okay, with this here you can see when you click on the profile name, the right hand side upper side, and here you can see the video tutorials also available. You can check for recut remix. Okay, here storyboards, you can check the video tutorial and you can learn it and you can do it. Okay, after that, so here also have a some option, filters options. Okay, layout option, you can change the layout also. Okay, so grid layout, see the changes of layout. Okay, feel of so square and different way. Okay, so this is the way you can use here the different option and you can free create here the image, create video also freely. Okay, so this is so helpful to create image and create the video quickly. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.